everybody, it's me Phyllis coming back at you with another video. You guys, today's video is going to be a small haul. I went to TJ Maxx and I picked up some really good stuff. Well, at least I think it is. The first thing that I want to show you is, oh, and before we get started, hey, don't y'all forget to subscribe. Y'all can go ahead and do that now while you're watching the video. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification button so that you won't miss any of my uploads. Alrighty, so the first thing that I got from TJ Maxx was I got another Anastasia contour kit. The first one I got, which was last year I believe, I got the deep. This is the deep one, and I felt like it was a little bit too dark for me. So the contours were a little bit darker than what I prefer. So I have been using it, but I saw this one, and this is in medium, and I just went ahead and got it. It was $18, and I went ahead and just picked this up. Let me take this off. It has all the plastic on it, and that's what this one looks like. And I just felt like this one would be more of my color. Let me put them both together so that you can kind of see. See, this one right here is a little dark, and then the contour parts of it, and I felt this one right here would work better with me. And y'all, I'm sorry about my ring light, but yeah, I think this one here would be a lot better. So I wanted to try it, so I went ahead and got it. They only had one left, and so yeah, I went ahead and got it. And again, it was only $18. So yeah, I'm excited that I was able to get that. So I picked that up from TJ Maxx, and then also I got hold on you guys, I'm just trying to put this back in the box. I also got, they had Stila All Day Foundation. It looks like this in this box. And yeah, y'all, I tell you, people really go through this stuff, and it's like you really have to be careful, especially with lipsticks, because people open it and test it, and yeah, you have to be really careful. But this is what the foundation looks like, and then it has the color right here, and this color is deep. So no one hadn't tried to see what it looks like, you know. So I guess what you do is you pump it here on the top, and I guess it comes out the top part of it. Yeah, it comes out the top part. So okay, I don't know how I like that, but okay. So I'm going to go ahead, and I got it thinking it may be okay. That's what it looks like. It's a thick consistency, I can tell you that right now. And I'm just going to go ahead and rub it in. And you know, your hand is not the best way to test foundation. So really, let me just put it right here. And that looks a little red. That looks dark for me. Yeah. That looks a little dark. So I don't remember how much. Oh, this was $7.99. It was $7.99. So with it being $7.99, what I could do is just try and use it and maybe lighten it up with my concealers. I may try to do that. But yeah, it is definitely a little dark, and that's what it looks like on my hand, which, like, on my hand it looks like I can work with it, but you know, I don't know. I definitely will have a video coming up using the foundation to let you all see how it works for me. But yeah, on my chest it looks dark. It looks red and dark. So, but this is the All Day Foundation, and it says the benefits. It is a long wear, high definition, full coverage with a matte finish. Blendable formula helps skin tone and minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. So again, it's oil free and fragrance free. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to use this and just see how it all works out. So y'all be on the lookout for that video. It's coming up real soon. Okay, so the next thing, I got 2 lipsticks. One is Stila and the other one is Kat Von D. And I want to show y'all the Kat Von D one first. This is called Coven, and this is the tube here, the lipstick, and this is the color. And y'all like, Phyllis, really? Yes, really. This is such a beautiful purple. Now, of course, this would be a topper on top of a darker purple, but I think it will blend in very, very good. I think it would be good with the ombre, the kind of an ombre look with the darker purple, and then put this on the top of the, and make it kind of ombre-ish type look. So yeah, I'm going to definitely let y'all see what I'm going to try to do with this lipstick. But I just could not pass this up. And this one was, how much was this? I think it was $5.99. I think it was $5.99 for this. And again, this is the color Coven. And that is just too cute. I love it. I love it. Yes, I do. And then I got Stila Color Bomb lipstick. And I got this in the color Gemma. And this is more of a pinkish purple color. And this is what this looks like. The lipstick tube here. And this is the color. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Gorgeous. So yeah, I definitely will be doing some looks on this. And again, you guys, be careful with these lipsticks, because I'm telling you, people, they open up the packaging and they test it on themselves, and it's just like, I really had to dig to make sure that no one was in it, mess with it or anything like that. So yeah, so those are the 2 lipsticks, and that is all that I got from TJ Maxx. And let's see, then I had an order come in from Ulta, and the first thing I want to talk about is this It Bye Under Eye Concealer. I just use this. I use this with this look and this. I don't know if this video is going to be up first or this video. I don't know. But we're going to talk about this concealer. This concealer is awesome. It has a thick consistency, and it will definitely cover up any redness or any dark circles or any discolorations that you have under eye. Also, this concealer is good for, you can use this as a foundation as well. I mean, it's full coverage, you guys. When I say full coverage, it's full coverage, and all you need is a little dot. Please don't go in, let me see, let me show y'all, because this is how I put it on. I went in, and it's a little tube, and I started squeezing it, and I had way too much on, but thankfully it blended in really well. I had to use the brush first, and then I turned around and used my sponge and got it blended in really well. And yes, this is the color 40.0 Deep Tan W, which I think is warm. And this was $26, and I got this at Ulta, and this is the box that it comes in. And you guys, this comes in 48 shades. 48. Okay? I mean, that is awesome. And so I know you will find your color in this. I mean, this is a great concealer. Of course, I am test wearing it. It's only going to be a few hours, but it claims that it does not crack. It does not do any of that. It does not crack, or, and something else it says on here. Hold on one second, you guys. Let me see if I can find it. It says it's waterproof, and it does not crack or crease. So yes, I'm gonna have this on for a few hours, and of course it's gonna be in the other video, so just stay tuned for that video, or it may be already up, I don't know. But yeah, I am doing a little wear test on this, and again, it's just a few hours. It's not, you know, it's just a few hours, so we'll see. Also, what I got from you guys, let me, I think I need to plug up my computer, my laptop, but okay. Let me try to hurry up and get through this. Okay, so I also got the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. Can't Stop, Won't Stop. Yes, I got the foundation. I had actually ordered, please you guys, let me just tell you, do not order this online, because what you think is your shade is not going to be your shade. I had ordered, I think it was Golden Honey, I believe, and it was way too light. But when you look at it online, it looks like it could, you know, work, but no. So just go into the stores and get it. You know, my local Ulta had all the shades, all 40 shades. Is it 40 or 45? I think it's 45 shades, right? Let me look, because I don't want to, I think it's 45 shades. Hold on one second here. And again, this is a collaboration with Alyssa Ashley, a fellow YouTuber here. It's 45 colors, 45 shades. And again, it's a collaboration with Alyssa Ashley, who worked with NYX or NYX to come up with these shades. And so, and to come up with the formula and all that good stuff. So congratulations to her. She's a beautiful young lady. So yeah. So anyway, I had to take the two that I ordered online back inside the store, and I ended up getting mahogany. I got mahogany here, and then I got warm mahogany here. I wanted to go ahead and try two colors since it's 45 shades. I was like, well, why not? And they had them on sale where you buy one and then you get one half off. So I think they're running like $14.99. Okay, y'all, my camera went off. I don't know. I picked up, let me just go back. Hopefully it stopped here. The Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. I got this. Now I am already currently using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel, but I've heard a lot of great things about this, and so I really wanted to try this. So I started off with a little one, and if I like it, of course I'll go get the bigger size in that. And then also I got the Urban Decay De-Slick Oil Control Makeup Setting Spray. This is oil free, paraben free, temperature control technology. So I got this, and I love setting sprays, you guys. So yeah, I got that there. Today I used the Urban Decay All Nighter. That's what I used today. But I really wanted to try the oil control one. So yeah, I got that. And what else did I get? That was it. Hopefully y'all saw this. Hopefully the camera didn't cut off. But yeah, I got these two. I got mahogany and I got warm mahogany. So this is mahogany and I got warm mahogany. Let's just look at them. This is what the colors look like here. And again, these are the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation by NYX, who collaborated with Alyssa Ashley, fellow YouTuber. So yeah, I got these. So that is it, you guys. That is my haul for today. I really appreciate you guys coming by and spending a little time with me, and I really appreciate all my new subbies. Thank y'all so much for hitting that subscribe button. I really love y'all so much. Thank you for joining the family, the Beautyholic family, and all my oldie but goodies. Y'all know how I love y'all. Y'all are my ride or dies. I love you so much. Thank you so much for all of your support for all these years. I love y'all. I love you guys. So that will do it. I wanted to tell you to don't forget to be blessed, be well, and be you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.